pretty.
Yeah.
Vlog man ito.
Ay, vlog.
Oy,
Hi guys.
Shout out
Shout out to
to your boyfriend. This is my beautiful niece, the daughter of my brother. She's very pretty. She's studying nursing.
mana kay Tita Audrey.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're on my vlog. You're on my vlog. She's one of the, how do you call that?
Bridesmaid.
She's one of the bridesmaids. See, I forgot. I'm an old woman already.
Basta maganda.
I love her. Bye. See you later again. I'm trying to get some video. This is the wedding reception. So beautiful. There's my other niece, the daughter of my brother.
Apo.
Oh, oh yeah.
Here's the other.
She is a granddaughter of my brother.
Wait.
Shout out, boss mo Manseli, shout out. This is Chen. I met my kumare. Ay, ako to. At di ko rin malam. Walang ito. Gating bakit cherry oh. My mare. My mare. Cherry oh. Oh, bakit tamo kasi yung bugan. Ay, shout out. Who do you want to shout out?
Hello.
You're on my vlog, ladies. Hello. You're on my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. I'm vlogging. Can I get your photo on my vlog? Is it okay kung mag-vlog ka?
Yes.
Our visitors. This is the vlog. There's my brother-in-law. Hello.
He's living.
There's my sister, the mother of the bride, and the mother of the bridegroom. Nice to see you again. I'm just going to vlog. This is a vlog. Everybody will see around the world. There is the wife of my nephew. Shout out. This is the vlog. Hi there, vlog. There are my nephew. There's the wife of my nephew. This is a vlog. And there's my two apo. They're very good. My very good looking apo. They are in my vlog.
Wait for me, they're gonna call your dad.
There's another table. You don't mind to be in my vlog?
Sige, ma'am.
It's okay?
Bye.
I ask permission because other people, but I speak in English because this is YouTube. That is sponsors, the ninang and ninang of my niece. It's her wedding today. Shout out. Those who want to say shout out. That is sponsors. Thank you for saying yes. But I will put this on my vlog later. Tonight. Passing by again. Pa-shout out kayo kung gusto nyo. They're back again. Cheers! Cheers! Where's my... Ayan. Hindi ko nakukuha ka Sisi Kumari. There is our rice wine.
This is the rice wine.
The popular rice wine of the mountain provinces, Ifugao and the
Made in
mountain
Ifugao.
provinces.
And then this is the
Kakanin.
Ah. Yeah.
So, sumalit
This
sa
is
walang
the
ilan.
reason why Filipinos
Kasi may
are
bayad na rin bukod na nanganganak.
Yeah. This is made out of rice. That's why we call it rice wine.
Yeah. He's your darling. Oh my God! Ngayon ko lang ako, dahil hindi ako pumupunta sa mag-Amerika. There's the husband of the best friend of my sister.
This is watermelon.
Yung black. Trying to vlog. You don't mind? Thank you. There is the guy who is doing the music. There they are. Hello guys. Can I take you here? This is a vlog. Put you on my YouTube. Hello young boys, young good looking boys. There's a little girl. This is the other side of the party. Some are still having snacks. We are still waiting for the dinner to be prepared. So people are still taking snacks. Say hello. Hello. There's my sister. There's my beautiful sister. She's a granny. Flower granny. So, hello, little girl. There's the Apo, my granddaughter of my brother. There's my niece, Apo. There's the friend of my sister and the daughter of my sister. They're getting some snacks. Hello, beautiful ladies. You're on my bag. Here's the food. More food, snacks. This is the snacks. Dinner will be later. Noah, come here. He is my grandson. He is there are the other boys. More table downstairs. And there is the lechon. It's not open yet. This is the lechon. It's not open yet. And more people downstairs. And there's the swimming pool beside it. This is the reception of the wedding ceremony after the wedding ceremony. Tomorrow will be a big day, the real celebration. But this one is a dinner after the wedding. I'm just vlogging. There you go. The food are not ready yet, still covered. other group. Here's again the other group. There's again my relatives and my sister Eva and the friends. Thanks for being in my vlog. Thanks for There's a beautiful Becca. This is Becca.
Rain is
Rain. Oh, this is Rain, the daughter of
Brenda.
Brenda.
Hello,
There's so many people. I
Alam ko kayang bye.
forgot their names. My niece. There's my brother-in-law. Thank you for being in my vlog. Even if I am sweating, I still keep on vlogging. This occasion is very seldom natin. I hope you understand. There's again my sister.
I was around.
Oh, there is music in here. Bawal ang may music. Until the next video again, thank you for watching.